Hello, here's another AQA A-level physics question on circular motion. If you want to try to answer this question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer C, well done. Oops, pen's not working properly. Answer C. Okay, a string passes through a smooth, thin tube. Masses little m and big M are attached to the ends of the string. The tube is moved so that the mass m travels in a horizontal circle. Let's try and draw a horizontal circle. There we go. At a constant radius r and a constant speed v. Which of the following expressions is equal to big M? So it's a smooth tube, so the tension in the string everywhere is the same. So we can think of this string being pulled down by the weight on this mass, which is going to be big M multiplied by the gravitational field strength, and we can think of also the tension pulling inwards in order to accelerate this small mass in a circle, so producing centripetal acceleration, and that's going to be equal to mv squared over r. Little m, which is the mass rotating, the speed of the mass squared divided by the radius, and these two have to be equal. So big M g equals little m v squared over r. Nice and simple rearrangement. Big M is equal to little m v squared over r g. Answer C. Nice simple question, that one. If this explanation was helpful, if it was useful, subscribe, share and like, and watch more of them for your A-level revision. Thank you.